Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Vani and this is the third episode of the couple Splitsvilla review thing I'm doing. And if you all don't know what Splitsvilla is, it's good you don't know because it's a show that I'm watching because I'm unemployed. So it might not be because you're unemployed. Anyways, so basically, Splitsvilla is a show where a ton of content creators, models, a lot of people that are trying to get famous come into the show. They get into a couple and they perform challenges together and possibly win the show. But अब तो रहा भी नहीं because उन्होंने voting lines वाला system शुरू कर दिया है. I just yesterday only there was the finale का shoot that was happening and now Spitzilla is taking the winner by voting, which has never been done before. I mean, वो challenge की perform कर रहे हैं, तो very strange, but okay, like I don't mind. Anyways, so today the couple that I'm talking about is Himanshu and Diksha. Now, hmm, like I don't have words. That's why I've written it down because मुझे पता है मैं कुछ गलत कह सकती हूँ about this couple and I'll get I don't want to do that. क्योंकि this couple is so controversial. Like इन्होंने इतनी controversy करी है inside of the show, outside of the show that मैं जितना इनको ट्राई करूंगी एक अच्छी लाइट में पोर्ट्रे करने का it's gonna come back to me only. So I would like to talk to about this couple. I would like to talk to about this couple. I am getting the Diksha energy. I saw a lot of people that were talking about Diksha English and all of that. It's funny, okay? Evil person, whatever she did. I think it's okay. It's fine. कभी कभी हो जाता है that you speak थोड़ा सा differently or your pronunciation is horrible and it's okay. But आपको अगर इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती बोलनी डोंट फोर्स योरसेल्फ जस्ट स्पीक इन हिंदी क्योंकि हिंदी हमारी मेन लैंग्वेज है गाइस तो मैं दीक्षा को बस ये बोलूंगी you're doing I don't even know what to say to you. Okay, basically Himanshu and Diksha came to the show. Himanshu was the person like I have seen before in Playground ho gaya and Roadies ho gaya. So if these two shows are also reality TV shows and these both of these shows are not that famous, then Priscilla maybe Roadies is, but I was saying ki Himanshu is a person that I've seen before on television, like he was in Playground and he was in MTV Roadies, both as a player. He did not win either of those shows, which is completely okay. I think, his personality is more talkative and he's just उसको बस बात करनी है and he wants to put his point across. Why is my English getting fucked up today? I'm genuinely getting Diksha energy today. Anyways, so that's about Himanshu. He's a well-known figure among everybody. And as for Diksha is actually I've never seen her on TV before. I did not even know her before Splitsvilla. So जितना मुझे उनके बारे में पता चला है, she is basically an Instagram model जो Splitsvilla में आई again to get fame, to build a connection, etc. And both of these people as individuals are so controversial. When they come together they are the most controversial couple of the season. I think Splitsvilla में मैं बोलूं like all of those three seasons combined, I think this is the most controversial couple in the Splitsvilla universe. They are saying so much crap about each contestant. They are not like spreading a lot of positivity. वो अभी भी यहाँ पे भी मतलब Splitsvilla के बाद भी वो कलेश ही चल रहा है वहाँ पे. So it really does not make sense to me why this couple is doing all this, but I think it's majorly because of fame. And मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहती हूँ whenever they came on screen, like when I view Splitsvilla and as an audience, भी ये लोग आते थे screen में. I don't know if it's the editing, I don't know if it's the makers, I don't know, but I don't like watching them on screen. Like मुझे मन करता है I just skip forward their lines and everything like that क्योंकि मुझे ये couple पता नहीं they just don't give that energy to me like I want to see them. Apart from that, I think they are very similar to one another. दोनों ही कलेशी है. मतलब आई एम ऑल इन फॉर कलेशी पीपल, बट कभी कभी जब उनका कलेशीपन बदतमीजी में बन जाता है दैट्स नॉट ओके. बट एक और बहुत मेजर कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी बिटवीन दीक्षा एंड आकांक्षा. So Akanksha is also a contestant in Splitsvilla that has gotten a lot of fame. My next video would be on Akanksha, Yogesh and Ruru for sure. And मतलब वो तो एक अलग ही controversial है, but that was just one like उनका सिर्फ एक ही topic था of like controversy. This couple has why are there so much controversy? I'm not even talking about Himanshu right now. Diksha हर चीज में कैसे घुस गई है? Whether it be हिमांशु के मामले में like they broke off and all of that. I don't know उसमें क्या controversy हुई थी. But like she's getting into Saurabh Niharika ka thing. Like everybody has a boyfriend outside. I'm seeing all of these lives that come into my feed because I watch Splitsvilla, and she's talking about Diptanshu's girlfriend. She's talking about Saurabh Niharika ka ladai jhagda, and Niharika Bandi ne mujhe ye kiya wo kiya. Then she's going after the makers of the show. Literally, you were on the show, girl. आप उस शो में थे. You should at least respect the show. You have gotten so much audience. If वो थोड़ा negative है, still you have gotten so much of audience because of the show, and you're disrespecting it by revealing everything about the show. I mean, why would you reveal the finalist name? Like even if it's predictable, आप अगर जा रहे हो, आप ये finalist के नाम इतने openly बोल रहे हो, like just doesn't make sense to me. Why are you doing all of this? And even if like I'll just give you some context of why she's doing this, and according to me, why she's doing all this. So basically, when Diksha was, this episode came out between Akanksha and Diksha ka fight. Apparently, the makers edited it in such a way that she was portrayed in such a bad light, and मतलब कुछ lines भी कट गई थी. Don't know the context because actually स्प्लिट्सविला ने ढंग से नहीं दिखाया था. So I think she got so much hate after that. उनको बहुत hate मिला था. Like even now अगर आप Instagram पे जाओगे दीक्षा के and आप उसके comment section पढ़ोगे, it's not good, guys. Like तुम किसी की चलो लैंग्वेज पे करते हो, ठीक है, इट्स अ मीम, ठीक है, मुझे ये मजे आते हैं उसके, लाइक ठीक है, इट्स फनी. बट किसी के पेरेंट्स पे जाना, किसी के मतलब दैट्स जस्ट टू पर्सनल. लाइक जो लोग उनके लिए कमेंट कर रहे हैं, एंड इट्स नॉट ओके. लाइक इतना हेटरेड ओवर अ शो इज नॉट ओके. आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू गाइस, even if you think this show is good, it's again a reality TV show. People will edit it out in such a way कि आपको एक perspective दिखाया जाता है and दूसरा नहीं दिखाया जाएगा, because that's what that's what's making you see the show. And उसमें दीक्षा को बहुत hatred मिल रहा है, and it's really not okay, guys. मतलब इतना hate तो किसी को नहीं मिलना चाहिए. Even I agree, but the way that she's reacting to this hate is also very wrong. मतलब she's talking about each and every contestant, उनकी personal lives, private lives. She's talking about the Splitsvilla finalist, Diksha, and I think you should really stop. आगे बुरा होगा. Like just imagine if a company hires Diksha for a movie, and they tell you, that you're in this movie, I'm casting you, and the whole movie is filmed. Premiere आने के 10 दिन पहले ही आप लाइव पे जा रहे हो, आप पूरी मूवी की स्टोरी बता रहे हो. मतलब what is wrong with you? Like why would you reveal everything? मतलब आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. मतलब इवन इफ आई डोंट वांट स्पॉयलर्स. लाइक मैं जब भी इंस्टाग्राम पे जाती हूँ, आई ट्राई नॉट गेट द स्पॉयलर्स बिकॉज आई रियली लव वाचिंग द एपिसोड्स. आई एम जस्ट लाइक every second reel is Diksha's, and she's just revealing something, and I'm just looking at it. I'm like, why? Like, why would you do that? I mean, doesn't make sense, Diksha. And I understand that you're getting a lot of hate, and वो बहुत बुरा होगा आपके लिए. But what you're doing is also not at all right. And apart from that, abhi finale bhi shoot hua tha, and I did not see Diksha. Again, this is so unprofessional. I mean, you're just entering into this industry and aapko itna bada show mila hai. At least complete it out. Like every contestant came, even Yogesh, Ruru, Akanksha, in तीनों की इतनी लड़ाइयाँ हो रखी हैं, still they came into the show and they finished it off. Finale भी किया उन्होंने, मतलब shoot वूट मैं देख रही थी कुछ photos videos, उसमें दीक्षा थी ही नहीं, because she's spoken so much shit about the show. How can she how can you like even show her your face? Anyways, enough about Diksha. I want to talk about Himanshu too. Out of the show, and a lot of people actually love him now. Like Ruru ho gayi. Ruru I've seen with Himanshu a lot. Sadaf, like everybody's talking so nicely about Himanshu, so I think वो अच्छा होगा. I think कैमरा के सामने सभी मतलब थोड़ा exaggeratedly बात करते हैं, थोड़ा हो जाते हैं कुकू, कुकू. So maybe that's why. But Himanshu, कुछ pointers when he used to speak in Dome were right. I will tell you guys. वो जो चीजें बोलता था, कुछ चीजें did make sense and कुछ चीजें were right. But sometimes he was just out of the picture, which I think हर reality TV show में होता है. तो kudos to that. Himanshu is playing a very good game. And as for Diksha, मैंने बात इतनी कर ही लिया that I do not understand this woman or understand her POV, like what she's trying to do. I mean, if you're getting hate, I get you. Like I understand you're getting hate, but react to the hate. like I am not liking this, like this is happening to me, but why would you go after the show? I don't get it, Diksha. I think you should genuinely stop this. But it will affect you in the future. Nobody would like to hire you. Like, you would tell the story before the movie even start or before the show even starts, so then what's the point of hiring you? Like, people will be scared to hire you. It's for your own benefit to not, speak and all that. So अभी इनका टिकट टू फिनाले हुआ था, तो टिकट टू फिनाले से पहले they needed 50,000 split coins to get to play the ticket to final. और मतलब तुम्हें लिटरली उस टिकट टू फाइनल का एक प्राइस देना था 50,000. Every other couple had, and Himanshu and Diksha did not have it. Mm-mm. And why? Because Diksha had given her split coins to Zalak, and Zalak उसी के अगले डोम सेशन में आउट हो गई थी. तो there was no point in giving the split coins उस टाइम पे भी. I did not make sense to me also. Like, तुम दूसरी अलायंस के बंदे को बचा रहे हो, or what? Like, to look good? क्वेश्चन मार्क क्वेश्चन मार्क. कुछ मुझे तुम उसमें भी अच्छे नहीं लगे हो, एंड मुझे तुम उधर भी खड़े हुए अच्छे लग रहे थे. व्हेन सनी आल्सो सेड, सनी मैम आल्सो सेड, why would you do that, Diksha? Why would you tell Sadaf to all of this, like all of this bakwas, when she just gave you her split coins? Like, why? And actually, मुझे सदफ का भी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं समझ आया, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि सदफ वाज लाइक, अब मुझे ये ऐसे बोल रही हैं तो मैं क्यों दूं अपने स्प्लिट. तुम्हें देना नहीं था तो ये तो कोई रीजन नहीं होता है. बट दीक्षा इज वेरी वियर्ड लाइक दैट, एंड आई थिंक अच्छा बोला सनी ने कि यू शुड बी क्वाइट, दीक्षा. आई थिंक आपको कुछ नॉलेज, कुछ लर्निंग लो, एंड देन स्पीक अबाउट थिंग्स. It's not cool, bro. It's not cool. But apart from that, they got out the show without playing the show. उनका वोट आउट भी नहीं हुआ. उन्होंने टिकट टू फिनाले वाला टास्क भी नहीं खेला. वो बस आउट हो गए बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हैव इनफ स्प्लिट कॉइंस. ठीक है, कूल विद दैट. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. इट्स अ शो गाइस. तो yeah, I think that's where their their journey ended. And this journey is just so chaotic. I mean, still it's going on. Still Diksha is talking about all of this. And मैं तुम्हें बस एक चीज बोलूंगी guys, if you're watching this and तुमने देखा है how much hate, like all of these contestants are getting. I'm not even talking about Diksha. आकांक्षा हो गई, रोगेश हो गया, और रूरू हो गए, कोई भी कंटेस्टेंट फ्रॉम सिलसिला, इनको इतना हेट मिल रहा है. Why? इट्स अ शो. इट्स सपोज टू बी एंटरटेनमेंट. अगर तुमने कभी भी स्पिट्सविला का डिस्क्लेमर देखा ना, वहां पे लिखा होता है इट्स एन एंटरटेनमेंट शो. इट्स जस्ट फॉर फन. तो थोड़ा रिलैक्स मारो गाइस. इतना हेट करने की किसी को जरूरत नहीं है. दे आर ऑल ह्यूमंस एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. वो बस उनका पहला शो था बहुत सबका. तो यू शुड जस्ट काम डाउन विद दैट. एंड दैट बीइंग सेड, आई थिंक दीक्षा ने मांचू गॉट देयर कर्मा व्हेन दे कुड नॉट प्ले द टिकट फिनाले, क्योंकि उन्होंने पूरे शो में बहुत बकवास करी है. एंड मुझे तो ये शो में नहीं पसंद आया. इट्स एन ऑडियंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. लाइक, आई डिड नॉट लाइक देम ऑन द शो. आई डोंट नो अबाउट ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल, बट मुझे तो ये बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. एंड इट्स जस्ट माई पीओवी. अगेन, मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ आप लोग उनको हिट करो या फिर आप उनको कुछ भी बोलो. इट्स जस्ट अ शो, एंड एक ऑडियंस पीओवी से I just did not like this couple, and I don't know about y'all. So you can just tell me in the comments, like, what did you think about Diksha and Himanshu and their journey and how they are outside now. This is the end of the episode. I hope you all enjoyed it, loved it. Please subscribe, share, and like this video for more episodes. Thank you so much. Please, Diksha ko itna hate mat do. It's a lot. It's a lot for a human being to take all that shit. So, said, thank you so much. I hope you liked this video. Bye bye.